Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you. Let's see how you're feeling, Capricorn, now, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Capricorn will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. And if you're new here, Capricorn, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Capricorn, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And for the duration of the reading, I will be calling this side person A and this side person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side you are on. Alright, so here are your action cards, one for you and one for you. Oh, Queen of Pentacles in the upright is the overall energy. Queen of Pentacles, I don't know whether this is you, Capricorn, or this is your person, but this is one lovely queen. This is a queen who's loving, kind, generous, can take care of everyone around them, including looking after themselves as well. Oh, my throat is kind of okay. Alright, so let's put this here. I think I've done too many readings today. My throat's finally given up on me. This is my last today. Hope I can continue. So from what I see here, Capricorn, Death in reverse and the Lovers. Somebody has decided, I don't want things to change. They're still holding on to some way of thinking, could be, or maybe they want to hold on to their person. Some decision is being made on person A's end. After some fighting has happened, there's been some conflict where one person was maybe unwilling to change their ways, who knows, which has made their person very angry. Let's go to the other side. The other person here is also feeling rather stuck. They feel there is nothing moving in this connection. This is bad and I'm going to hold back now. I'm not going to now put in any effort towards this connection, right? They feel their person doesn't put in enough investment into this. There's no balance, there's no equal give and take. So what I'm going to do, I'll clarify all these cards, of course, but first I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Capricorn, for you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Capricorn and their person, they could say something to each other now. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Let's take some more from here. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Alright, good to go. So your first card, Capricorn, says, I have faith that we'll be together again. I'm holding space for you. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. So maybe this is what somebody is holding on to. You may not be perfect, but you're perfect for me. My answer will be, I do. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. I bury you with lies. I'm scared to tell you the truth. I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. You are the most beautiful creature I have ever seen. I realized that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? See, this is, I think, the decision made by person A. All right, so let's start clarifying these cards. I think this is person A deciding, I do want this person be in my life. They're seeing their person as the perfect partner material, finally. What's this death card in reverse, Spirit? I'm going to concentrate only on person A first, okay? Capricorn, don't get confused. You could be this side or you could be that side. I'm only going to concentrate on one side first and then we'll go on to the other side. So, death in reverse, Spirit, for person A. Death in reverse for person A. Death in reverse. Maybe things were not working out in the past. Somebody didn't want to make that choice, make that decision, but I think now they are realizing that yes, I do want to make that choice. I want to speak my truth. I don't want any more secrets between us, because all this that has happened has actually backfired on me. I've realized this is my person. This is the love of my life and I want to have a happily ever after with this person. Maybe in the past, this person was being a bit of a trickster. This person could have been being a bit of a trickster and they have got their karma for it. They have received some kind of bad luck, bad karma. Things have kind of backfired on person, I think on person A. But now they want to speak their truth about why things didn't work out. They want to come and speak their truth. They've realized who their person is, who they love very much, who they want to have this Four of Wands with. Right? They want to have this happily ever after with. The Lovers in reverse, Spirit. Lovers in reverse. What's this Lovers in reverse? Lovers upright. So the decision that they were not making for so long because they were, holding on to old ways or didn't like change or whatever this person did, now this person wants to make a firm choice. Yes, earlier maybe they were chasing after their money or their work or feeling, they were not being the King of Pentacles to the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles is in reverse while the Queen of Pentacles is upright, right? So they were not matching the vibration to feel this Four of Wands, and maybe they didn't want to make a decision at one point, right? They were standing at crossroads, fearing that, if I make a decision, then I'll have to change things around me. Right now I may be busy with my work and money is more important and I have to buy a bigger house or whatever this person was saying. They didn't make a decision and they kept this relationship at crossroads. Now this person is now deciding to make that decision which they never made. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for all this to happen? Five of Swords. Yes, they were playing mind games. Somebody here was playing mind games. It was like my way or the highway. I will decide what has to happen. Maybe regarding a commitment. Five of Pentacles to the Ten of Pentacles, right? Maybe it was an issue about commitment, and they, because of their bad behavior or their very strict or game playing ways, they finally, I think, they made the other person feel, I'm not giving you the Ten of Pentacles, I'm in fact leaving you out in the cold or not offering it to you, and made that person feel abandoned and left behind. Maybe this person was too proud, and that led to some kind of a fighting or conflict here with the Five of Wands. Five of Wands, yes, they were being defensive. Very well knowing, this person A always knew. They always knew that, person B is my soulmate. This is the person I should be offering this Ten of Pentacles to. But instead, what did they do? They kept boundaries. They pushed their partner and left them out in the cold. Right? This was only their very bad behavior of wanting to win. This person wanted to win at any cost because they didn't want any change in their life. And that's what led to this conflict. Now this person is now realizing, oh my God, I'm getting my bad karma, I'm getting bad luck. I now know what decision I need to make. So how does person A now feel about this connection or this person? Emperor and the Queen of Swords in reverse. Person A now wants to take back power, take back control, and come across to their person as somebody who's going to now do the right thing. But because they feel their person is very upset and angry and may not even accept them anymore or has lost trust in them, they're a little fearful as to how to apologize, how to say sorry. I think this emperor, who they've now finally become the emperor, yes, but they are still kind of spying on person B right now, trying to see how angry my person is. Will they cut my head off the minute I go to them? Will they ever trust me again? So they are trying to gather some information, make an informed decision before they go forward with an apology or a sorry or something. But they do want to now show up as the emperor, which is the good part. Okay, why do they feel the Queen of Swords spirit about their person? Queen of Swords, because they never fought for this connection. They know they never fought for the connection and probably put their person through a lot of distress. They're realizing that. They know why this queen is this upset and this angry and why they won't trust me anymore. This is the kind of, energy I put them in. I never fought for them when I should have. I never made a decision to fight for this connection when I should have. So they know. But even though now they know, they're still kind of keeping a watch right now. They haven't yet come forward. What action they'll finally take, I'll open later, Capricorn. Let's go to the other side and see how person B is feeling. They feel the Wheel of Fortune is now in reverse. This is bad luck that I've got, that I got into a connection like this. Nothing really moved. And person B, in fact, is feeling quite sad and depressed, and yes, feeling the way they were made to feel, like rejected, like things just went a totally wrong direction, too much conflict, things ended, things halted, things stalled here, and person B is now in that mode of holding back from expressing anything. Yes, they are healing. Person B is now taken some time out and they're healing their heart or something, because they're not happy, because they never got offered this fresh new beginning. They were never offered this fresh new start. So now they are holding back. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? 9 of Cups. So person B really thought, this is my wish fulfillment. This is what's going to make me extremely happy. But they were never really sure, because they were feeling breadcrumbed maybe, or there was no balance in this connection. There was no equal give and take. As much as they were giving, there was somebody else who was taking. Right? As much as they hoped for an equal and a balanced relationship, this was very unequal, very unbalanced, never coming into balance. They tried and tried to kind of bring it, to a place where they would be balanced, but there was none. And that kind of created some very bad memories now in this connection. So how does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit, or feel about person A? Person B feels my person never invested. They never put in any effort. They never put in any work in this connection. All they did was create competition, create conflict, create fights, and rather than now return back to person A, I would rather just release them now, release this connection. I'm okay being single. I'm happier, I think, being single and maybe moving on for a fresh new beginning for myself. I've always wanted to go back, but if this person is never going to put in any work, then I might as well move on, right? Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. They feel all the love has been drained from this connection now, because till now no message has come, no apology has come, no sorry has come towards them. So they're kind of losing hope now. They're not happy with this decision that they have to now move on, but they're feeling it's like the lesser devil, I would say. Go back and feel hurt again, or should I move on and, be single and make a life for myself? So it's not that they're happy to do that, but they're very, very emotionally upset, I would say. Very emotionally upset. With a heavy heart, this person is making a decision that I might as well kind of accept that I should move on now. So let's see, person A, will you take some action now quickly, please, before person B really leaves? Magician. Okay, they are trying to manifest something. Person A, what are you trying to manifest? Will you take action as well? What are you trying to manifest here? One more. Somehow I think person A is still very scared. As much as they want to show up as the emperor, I don't think they are, they don't know what to do. They don't know, they're right now feeling that person doesn't want them anymore. They feel that person has probably left them, turned their back, and maybe seeing what else is out there, lost the passion in this connection, does not want anything stable going forth with them. They're feeling kind of dropped. They're feeling as if that person has now blocked them off and has released them. So all they're doing is sitting here and manifesting. What are they manifesting, Spirit? What do they want now? What are they manifesting? This person is still in very low vibration, Capricorn. Sorry to say that. They are still a bit in their low vibration where they are angry, they are still a bit selfish. They're not ready right now. As much as they want to come across as the emperor, I don't think person A is ready right now to make any kind of decision here. Person B, what about you? 9 of Swords. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? I think person B is kind of had it now. They've had it being stuck on person A. I think they're getting out of this very unhealthy dynamic. They are now becoming more and more clear that I'm not going to sit in this, sleepless nights and stress and worry anymore. It's time I started taking charge of my life, working on myself and healing myself. This onus is on me now. I'm not even going to, look behind. I'm going to put all that attention, all that love onto myself and heal my broken heart. I'm not going to sitting around waiting for them to call. So there are two people here. One person, as much as they want to appear the emperor, I don't think they are ready right now from any angle. This person is still in their low vibration of still being a bit selfish and closed off. Still maybe checking out other options, and because this is also because of fear. They fear their partner has kind of turned their back on them. Where person B is concerned, they are feeling if you're not going to say anything, then I'm not going to wait around either. So one more. Yeah, this connection is kind of, somebody is feeling they're better off in hermit mode. I think you both could be in hermit mode right now, at least this week. You both could be in hermit mode for the next week, 10 days, I don't know. Because I have the 10 of Swords here, Capricorn, feeling defeated and in hermit mode, trying to figure out what to do next. Okay? This person is still, they're manifesting, but they're not taking the right actions. So I don't know how quickly they can take action. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.